Hello guys, this video gonna be a little bit different. This video, we have an operating system that has the default settings. I haven't deployed anything, I haven't disabled anything except Windows Defender and the Windows updates because I want to be consistent with the results of Latency Monitor. And also I have removed everything that I don't want to start all startup programs except this for audio, okay. Um, as you see, for example, we have the default processes. We have 134. Okay. And let's see the latency with start. As I said, I haven't changed anything. I haven't optimized anything. It's the default Windows. I just have updated Windows. As you see, the latency, it's not so bad. Many of you maybe they wait to see huge numbers, but normal basically. For example, some computers with custom Windows or some tweaks, they have higher latency than my computer with the default Windows settings. So as you understand, it's really complicated all these things with optimization and tweaking. If I compare it with the results with when I have optimized my computer, the only huge difference, basically, the first huge difference is the average measure interrupt process latency. When I have optimized my computer, the number is 1.6. So it's high. Now the number is higher. I am number 2, so it's not so good. Okay. Um, in average measure interrupt to DPC latency, basically, if I remember well, it was 0.4. So we haven't huge latency on that case. Okay, the highest process latency, the highest DPC latency, it's also high. Okay. Um, of course, untweaked. If you have an optimized operating system, you will have higher latency. But with that video, guys, basically, I want to say that you must be careful about what you change your PC, what you apply, uh, what tweaks you applying to your system, and how that gonna cause issues to your computer. And as you see, I have the default operating system with I have finished the updates as you see uh, the day that I install the operating system. Okay, as you see, okay, now the latency is really high. Basically, we have high latency on the highest process and highest DPC. Let's see the range faults. Of course, we have this issue because I opened during the test this tab, normal. Um, let's do now a second experiment. I will run latency monitor. Uh, Start opening programs. Start with Chrome, Spotify. I will continue with Discord, with Microsoft Store. This you see the latency is not it nice. Okay, you see the latency is really strange. How it's so big? Basically, as you seeing, the average process latency, the average DPC latency has a small improvement with when I'm opening all these tools. Let's open Revan installer. Let's open Audacity, BitTorrent, Notepad, CRX, Power ISO, this PC. It's really funny, guys. As you see, the latency is stable. Yes, it's high, but it's stable. Haven't show something huge. Of course, we have so many page faults, and that's because during the test I'm opening so many programs. So it's normal to have so many page faults. Okay, not strange. Open this. Let's open this. The strength of that experiment, guys, is that haven't higher latency basically. Probably if I run a benchmark may have a problem. Wait, let's for example I will benchmark my GPU performance of latency mode. We're installing the program and the latency is still the same. Let's open now the bar mark. What will happen? Okay, start. I don't know if I will crash. Perhaps that basically whatever. Just start. It's really going on. Take the number of page faults, guys. We're testing the latency and we're benchmarking the GPU. I mean, it's really funny. Where is task manager? Okay. Anyways, we'll stop this. Never. Guys, for some reason the latency is really same. Let's set the latency to see if we have higher numbers. Okay, now we have really high numbers. As you see, we have the average process latency is 3.4 and the average DPC latency is 1.2. Also, with this video, guys, I want to tell you guys that is really important when you're testing the latency. You must be careful about what you have open during the test. As you see, when I have so many things open, the latency is not stable and I can't understand the real latency of my system. Okay, I have so many issues and not abnormal. Okay, close all this program, whatever. Um, that was the video, guys. I know it wasn't something very useful or very. I didn't show you something optimized. I think that I wanted to show you the behavior of latency if you have opened so many programs and also the behavior of latency when I'm benchmarking the latency of the default Windows 10, the latest version. Anyways, thanks for watching, guys. See you soon.